All right, YouTube. We got a package in the mail from the Barber S on Instagram. She got her new products out. This is the beard hair enhancement dye. This is waterproof, I want to say. I got a the blade hair sculpture. This is like a, I want to say this is like spritz for your hair, but it don't have like residue and stuff like that. You know how the white spray, the hairspray will have like residue after you line somebody up. Got another box. And last but not least, I'm not even gonna throw the box. It's too much. I'm not keeping that up. Last but not least, the Cocoa Blade. All right. Let me see what it is. Let me see if it modified. Is it modified? Oh, it got my name on it. What you mean? 360 Jeezy got my name on it. Got my name engraved in there. Hold on. Let me see. Is it modified? It's only right if it's modified. Yeah. Modified blade. She does modified blades. Make sure you check out her Instagram, the Barber S. Link will be in the description and on the screen somewhere right here. All right. But yeah, shout out to the Barber S on Instagram. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna grab my pick and start picking my client's hair out. You wanna make sure that you lay the hair down or pick the hair out, depending on if he has a fro or his hair is laid. Just make sure you start off neat, all right? You don't wanna start on a sloppy canvas. It's better to start off neat, that way the results will end neat. So instead of just knocking the hair down, I'm gonna start by setting in my bald line. And the way I'm gonna do this bald line is dropping it in the back because my client wants a drop fade. Now the reason why I'm setting in my bald line first is because I just wanna cut out time, all right? This will save you a lot of time instead of just taking it all down, going all the way to the hairline in the back. You could just set in the bald line and then take it down after. So my client wanted a 1.5 on the top. So using my Stylecraft Instinct X with the one guard with the lever fully open, I'm going with the grain of my client's hair, making sure that I go slowly enough to where I don't snag the hair or make my client feel uncomfortable. Next, it's time to set in my guidelines, and I'm gonna go with the lever open, going up about a ½ inch, making sure that I go up and down and side to side to get it to that length of that lever open. Now putting on the one guard with the lever open, same thing, going up about a ½ inch, making sure that I pay attention to the direction of where the hair is growing, which is why I'm going side to side. Next, putting on the 2 guard, I'm just clearing up that bulk that's at the top. Not really setting in a guideline. It's just really all about removing that bulk as much as I can to blend it into the top. So from here on out, I'm gonna be flicking out and I'm gonna work my way back down using the 1 guard with the lever open. I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Next, what I'm gonna do is close the lever on that 1 guard to soften up that middle line, making it easier for you to take it out with the next step. Now with the 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind I'm using my corners and just taking baby steps. I'm just working a little bit at a time, not really using that full blade because I don't want to pay attention to both ends. I just want to pay attention to one thing at a time. So sometimes the 0 guard close doesn't take out everything. So I come behind it with the lever open and just kind of details in those bulk areas where I see bulk. With the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. I always like to just flick out the bottom line and just adjust the lever as I go up. You can also put the lever in the middle, soften it up, you know, all the way around and then close it fully. But I like to just attack it head on and then just adjust the lever. But however you want to do it, it's all in how you view things. Last but not least, what you want to do is detail work. All right, detailing is extremely important. I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. All right, also if you don't have access to a mirror, you want to look away from the blend for a little while, come back to it, use your corners of the blade and just kind of get in those areas where you see bulk. So next, I'm gonna lay my client's hair down using this silk mousse foam. You can get this product at IcedOutProducts.com. This is Jackie Star's product. She's a vet in the game. I like this product because it makes the hair lay down, and also whatever waves that you have, it makes them pop out. So after I'm done brushing it in, I'm gonna put on the do-rag and just blow dry until dry. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chip.